Can you give an example of what somebody might use a chat GPT for, and then what the evolution of AI agents might allow them to do instead?
Sure. So when you're using ChatGPT, you're talking to something, right? They call it generative AI, right? So you're talking to ChatGPT and you can ask it, hey, write a blog post for me. Hey, look at this block of text and rewrite it and improve it, right? Write an email for me, blah, blah, blah. But it's basically generating text, right? So it's very transactional. You're logging into their interface and you're using it. What the future, I think, of AI agents can be is diverse, right? There are many different use cases. I've seen discussions where an AI agent, operates on the business end, or it operates on the individual's end interfacing with a business. An example of that is, I want to reschedule my flight, right? Instead of calling Delta, waiting online, talking through someone, I tell my AI agent, please reschedule a flight to the next available one that goes out. Then the AI agent does the rest of it. It contacts Delta, it waits, it evaluates my options, it does and handles everything like an assistant or someone would, and then gets back to me and says, yes, your flight was rescheduled, right? It can operate on the business end, like anything with a CRM. I think CRMs are a great use for agent because you've got these, contacts and leads and all this stuff. You've got to keep everything up to date. And most of these are open API where you can, integrate with them through programming. But if you can layer in an AI agent, like Salesforce is doing, it can essentially control your CRM in a bunch of different ways. It can keep it up to date. It can, monitor conversations that you're having with these prospects through email or text. It can sit in on meetings and create action item lists straight from that. It can help scheduling, right? It can help teams to schedule, whether it's employees or whether it's client meetings. It can manage task lists, all kinds of things. AI agents are essentially taking software from, you've got to specify the inputs and the outputs, and you've got to use the software to, it can understand the point of the software. It doesn't actually understand, but it can reason through the point of the software, and it can accomplish through common language what you want to with that software by itself. Further just kind of expanding on what you and your business can accomplish.